So in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this beautiful property that I have here right behind me. This one's offering 2,247 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a nice spacious room where you can use as a den or office space. Beautiful interior design, beautiful finishes for this one, guys. And it's located here in Wedgefield, Florida, which is located about 25 minutes away from the Orlando International Airport and about 35 minutes away from the beautiful East Coast beaches. If it's something that you're looking for, guys, stick around. You definitely do not want to miss this one. All right, guys, so coming into this beautiful home, you do walk in through these nice double doors here in this entryway, and you're greeted with this nice small little foyer area, which is something that a lot of folks tend to like. It says it gives them a sense of separation from the entryway to the rest of this open space concept area. It is a split room concept for this property, so you do have the primary bedroom right over here towards the front of the home, and then the other bedrooms will be on the other end, which is going to be right over here through that hallway back here. You do have a nice kitchen here and a dining room, but we'll take a look at that a little more in detail in just a minute. Let's go ahead and take a look at this primary bedroom and see what that has to offer. You're going to notice that you have high ceilings throughout this entire home. They're about 9'4" ceilings here, but you do have LVP flooring throughout the entire home, so no carpet within this property. You have this nice double window that's facing the outside of the home. I do like that it's framed. It gives kind of like a sense of luxury. This room does have a nice window facing the side of the home, which is going to provide plenty of natural light throughout the day within this bedroom. Coming through, you get the primary bathroom. Very spacious primary bathroom, has a ton of natural light coming in here, because it does have a window facing the outside of the home as well. You have a 2-sink vanity here, plenty of space for either spouse, and you have this beautiful walk-in shower that's gonna have plenty of space, and you have multiple shower heads throughout this walk-in shower, and you have a nice ledge here for your soaps and your shampoos. Tile work going from the floor all the way to the ceiling, which is something that a lot of folks tend to like. Moving past that, you do have this big closet here within this primary bedroom, which is something that a lot of folks tend to like. Plenty of space, lots of natural light coming in through these windows. This actually faces the front of the home. You have a lot of natural light in here and plenty of space for your clothes here. Now, let's move on to the rest of the house, guys. Take a look at what it has to offer us. Let's go back to this kind of like open space concept area where you come into the big spacious family room area. Plenty of space for a lot of furnishings. We know that the family room is the area where a lot of folks tend to congregate throughout the day, so you definitely have plenty of space to do that here. Right off to the right of this, you are going to have this nice den area. Plenty of space here. This does not have a closet, so it may not be considered a room unless you want to build a closet, and you can use it as a 4th room for this property. But you have this big double wide window facing the front of the home, giving a lot of natural light in here as well. And again, with that nice little frame around it, which looks very, very nice and luxurious. Now, coming back out to this common area, let's go ahead and take a look at the heart of the home, which is going to be this beautiful kitchen that we have here right in front of us. Beautiful kitchen. They chose to use some dark tones for this, but you have to see it in person to appreciate it, right? You have this nice kind of like charcoal gray stone countertop here. You do have some tall gray cabinets as well up above, which are going to be soft closing cabinets. You have plenty of storage space throughout this kitchen. The backsplash is going to be the same stone that they use for the countertops. You have this nice tub sink that's going to provide plenty of space for you to do your dishes. And then you have this nice stainless steel appliances for this property. Over here to the left, you do have the dining room area, which is going to have plenty of space for a nice big table, nice big window facing the back of the home, letting a lot of natural light in here as well. Let's go back towards the front area here, towards past the kitchen. We're going to take a look at what the pantry is, right? Down this hallway to the right, you have this space where the pantry is for this kitchen. I know I didn't show that earlier, so you might be thinking, where is the pantry? Here it is. Plenty of space here for all your non-perishables and other items for this pantry. And right across from here, you are going to have the laundry, which is very, very spacious. Plenty of space here to wash your clothes, do your folding, do your ironing. And you do have a little storage closet here where you can go ahead and put some more items here as well. Now, last door down this hallway, it's going to be the garage, where you're going to have plenty of space for 2 vehicles within this garage. You're going to have the AC handler out here as well, which is going to be a carrier AC handler. and you already have the automatic garage door opener already installed for you. Now, coming back into the home, let's shoot across the kitchen one more time. We're gonna go ahead towards the rooms in the back, to that little hallway that I kind of pointed out earlier. We're gonna go into the first bedroom here towards the left. Another bedroom here with plenty of space. A little smaller than the little den area that we saw not too long ago, but plenty of space for someone who's living here. And of course, you have a nice little closet here where you can go ahead and store all your items for this bedroom. Coming back out of this room, we're gonna go ahead towards our left here, where you're gonna find the full-size bathroom that these two bedrooms can share. Beautiful style that they use for this. You have a nice window facing the outside. The tile from the tub all the way to the ceiling, like we like to see. And then you do have this single sink vanity here as well. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the last bedroom here. Pretty much the same size as the bedroom that we just left, right across the hallway. And of course, you have a nice closet here where you can store all the items for this bedroom. Now, the last thing we need to see for this property is gonna be the backyard. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that has to offer. All right, guys, so we're outside here under that covered lanai that I spoke about not too long ago. You have plenty of space here for a lot of furnishings if you want to set this up for that, or some place for a cooking station or whatnot. But a very, very spacious area. You do have some plumbing here already set up for you. So you can go ahead and maybe install a water station or maybe a cooking station over here. You do have some outlets right here, right, where you can kind of connect some maybe refrigerators or maybe some cookware out here as well. So you have that already designed, so you don't have to think about doing that later on. I think that's a great detail. If you're someone like myself who likes to cook outside, this is something that you can probably take advantage of. But you have plenty of space back here in this lot to go ahead and kind of rearrange for your liking. You have some wooded area right behind this property as well, which is something that might give you a little buffer zone, a little bit of privacy between the neighbors on the other side, on the other street, and your property, which I think looks very, very nice. You do have a water filtration system already set up for you, and this house is on a well, which is not unusual here within the Wedgefield, Florida area. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this one, guys. Let's go back through this home. We're gonna go ahead and get out of here. We'll end this video. All right, so that's going to do it for the tour of this beautiful new construction home located here in the hidden gem of Wedgefield, Florida. What did you think about this property? Let me know down below within that comment section what you liked about this property, what you didn't like about this property, what you might add to this property, or what you can do without. Let me know down below within that comment section. Now, no HOA, no CDD within this area. They went ahead and did away with the optional HOA that they had in place for the Wedgefield, Florida area. And at the same time, if you're looking to buy a lot here to build, you no longer have to submit plans for permission from the HOA. So no approval needed to construct here within this area, just as long as you get the proper permitting from the city, right? Now, located again, 25 minutes away from Orlando, 30 to 40 minutes away from the East Coast, so you can enjoy the beaches. Definitely a beautiful area to live in, if you don't mind me saying. And you have a beautiful park here as well, and a nice golf course that you can enjoy here within the Wedgefield, Florida area as well. But again, for all the breakdown of the possible loan payments for this particular property, I'm going to leave everything down below within that description area. So you want to make sure you take a look at that before you leave and move on to the next video on this channel, right? If you have any questions, you can go ahead and give me a call, the number that you're going to see at the bottom of the screen. I'd be happy to take your call, talk to you about what your goals are as far as real estate and relocation here to the beautiful state of Florida, from outside of state or from within this beautiful state. I'd be happy to help you with all your needs, right? Other than that, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this tour as I enjoyed showing you guys this beautiful home. But other than that, thank you once again for joining me on another tour, and I'll see you guys on the next home tour.